If you're having issues printing with your HP Officejet Pro 8600, then stay tuned. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video, and today we got the HP Officejet Pro 8600. Basically, if you're printing blank pages, not able to print a certain color, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, you're getting lines in your prints, you're getting faded prints, then you're going to want to watch this entire video. In this video, I'm going to outline to you how you're going to be able to solve this problem on your own, inexpensively and quickly. Essentially, what has happened here is your print head has become clogged, either because you didn't print for an extended period of time, you've been printing on this printer for a long period of time, and a lot of wear and tear has come to that print head, or you've run your ink too low and you've been printing with low ink. All three of those scenarios, which are very common for many different people, will cause this issue. But what we need to do is break up the blockage within the print head with a cleaning kit. And so this is what you're going to be using to break up that blockage. It's my very own product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. Basically what you're going to be getting is ionized cleaning solution. This is safe to use with your printer. You're going to be getting 100 milliliters of that, and then you're going to be getting a 20 milliliter syringe, so you have plenty of capacity to clean any print head. There's also a wide variety of attachments and a pair of plastic gloves, not this color, plastic clear gloves, so that you don't get any ink on your hands. But follow the instructions that are in this package along with the instructions in this video, and there will be a link down in the description below for you to pause this video right now, go down there, click the link, get yours today. And so do that now so that you have it on the way already and you don't really have to worry about that. So that way you're able to get back up and printing in no time. So I'll be showing you in this video how to use this cleaning kit on this printer to be able to get back to printing normally again. Now, if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, if this video is way above and beyond and you want to show even more support, even more appreciation, you can actually leave a donation with the new super thanks button down below. All you do is click on the button and you can give as little as you'd like or as much as you'd like. And again, it's above and beyond, but always greatly appreciated. Alright, so you're not going to want to miss any part of this video. Stay with me through the rest of this video so that you're able to absorb and get all the information, take notes, do whatever you have to do, save this video, watch it over and over again so that you're able to get this method down. And so once you get your cleaning kit, you'll be able to get right into it. Also, make sure you're aware of any of the other product links I end up leaving in the description below. Many times they are other necessary components that you'll need, such as a new set of ink cartridges. So just be aware of those. There will be some other links down in the description below. But without any further ado, why don't we get right into this repair? Alright, so the first thing we want to do is actually get the printer prepared for the cleaning. And so we need to determine what color is giving us the most issues. If you already have an idea of what colors are not printing properly, then that is the color you're going to be focusing on when doing this cleaning. If you have colors that are working, that are functioning just fine, don't really touch those colors. It's not necessary. So you can choose to print out that report or not. If you are confident in your knowledge of which colors are having the most issues, then you can kind of skip this part. If you really wanted a good understanding of how all of your colors are doing, go ahead, print out that report, and that'll give you a good understanding when you're doing your cleaning. So now what we're going to be doing is when you open that front panel to your printer, you're actually able to remove the ink cartridges. The printer comes all the way to the left. That is exactly where you want it positioned, to remove the ink cartridges and even remove the print head. How do we remove the print head? Well, there's this gray lever. You're going to lift that up, and that is going to release the print head to where you're able to actually take it out of the printer itself. And you are going to want to have this setup. You need to have a deep plastic container. It doesn't have to be plastic, but you need a container where you can place the print head in there, because there's going to be a lot of cleaning solution, a lot of ink, and it's just going to create a big mess. So you need something like this to catch that mess and so it doesn't go all over the place. You're also going to want to be aware of all the attachments in the kit. You're not going to actually need any of the attachments, luckily. All you're going to need is the actual syringe itself with the plastic tubing that's already attached. That's what you're going to be using to attach to the nozzles that you're seeing here. You see magenta, cyan, yellow, and black nozzles. And so whatever color is giving you the most issues, that's what you're going to clean first, and only those colors that are giving you issues. If you have a good nozzle, a good color, you don't really want to waste your time and energy and cleaning solution on that color. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning yellow to start off with. And you can see there what you want with this plastic tubing at the end of the syringe is a tight seal. You want there to be a tight fitment so that when you're pushing the cleaning solution through, there's no bursting, there's no breakage in that connection, and so that you can get a good steady flow of cleaning solution going right through the printhead. And this is the result. You're going to have the solution and the dried up ink that is in the printhead actually come out of the printhead. Now, if at any point during this cleaning you get to a color where you are trying to push cleaning solution through and it seems like there's some resistance, you're not able to really push the syringe, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your cleaning solution, warm up a hot pan with water, and you're going to want to place your cleaning solution in there and make sure it's nice and hot. Return to your cleaning site and apply that warmed up solution to whatever color is giving you the most issues. So here you see we're cleaning cyan. That is exactly the type of flow and the type of cleaning that you want to see. Now you want to repeat this cleaning that you see me doing here with all of the colors that are giving you issues. If it's only one color, just focus on the one. If it's all the nozzles, then definitely, use your cleaning solution wisely when you're cleaning each one of the nozzles. You can get through all 4 colors with a full 100 milliliter bottle of cleaning solution. That is very much possible. Once you're done with this cleaning, what you're going to want to do is actually make sure that the print head is totally dry before you return it to the printer. Wait 24 hours actually, if you can, to return the print head to the printer so that you don't have any error codes, you don't have any damage to the print head. Make sure that it's totally dried before you reinstall it back into the printer. Once it's reinstalled back into the printer, what you're going to want to do is, if your ink cartridges were totally full, 90 to 100% full, you can definitely reuse them. Now, if you know for a fact that you have multiple colors that are totally empty, one of them may be 50%, you have some ink in one of them, you really need to buy some new ink cartridges. Now you can go the less expensive route and get remanufactured ink, which is going to cost a fraction, maybe half of what you would pay for the OEM ink, which is the manufacturer HP ink. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some remanufactured ink for this printer. So if you decide to go that route, you have easy access. So at this point, we are still not done with the cleaning. There's still one step that's left. It's a very important step, and that is the print head cleaning within the settings of the printer. What this is going to do is it's actually going to push the ink back into the system. See, what we did with the cleaning kit is we pushed the ink out of the system because it was dried up. Now you need to have that ink returned to the print head so that you're able to print normally again. So make sure you do this print head cleaning until all of your colors fully return and you're printing normally again. I hope this video was helpful. Again, if it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. And remember all the product links that I mentioned, the cleaning kit, the remanufactured ink, and I'll even leave a link to a printer I recommend if this doesn't end up working out for you. That's really all I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.